Hello, friends. If you have joined, then let me know if my voice is audible. So I'm just checking on phone. Hello, friends. Good morning. If you are able to hear my voice and my screen, you just type your message. If you have any questions, then we'll start. And I'm just waiting to get some confirmation whether my voice is audible to you guys. So please type your yes or no, or if you have any questions, then I will just see the chat. Okay. So I can see some messages. Okay. Hey, good morning, everyone. So if you have any questions, please ask so that we will start today's discussion. This is more like a live question answer session, and I don't have any specific agenda to share, but it is more like to interact and understand, what type of questions you guys have in your mind, and I can try to give my best to answer your questions. So Banu Kalyan working in Oracle Labs. Okay, good. Thank you. Aluluya Khan. Hi. Okay. So some more people are joining. Let's see if we have any questions. Okay. Due to COVID-19, there are no calls now. I think when you're saying calls, probably I understand this calls means you're talking about the interview calls. True. So because of this, projects are getting delayed or cancelled, postponed, or on hold, or reduced in size. So hirings are freeze. So I would suggest to stay where you are in job, as well as wherever you stay, at home or anywhere else. Don't move. Don't move your job also. Stay in your current job. Don't think switching job this year. Even if somebody offering you a job, there are very less chances that they will give you joining. Okay, so what is the question? When onward call will start, please? Uh, Try to stay 2020 in your current company only. Whatever the situation is, stay there. And by end of this year, probably situation will improve when new project will start, when the new capital investment in IT will start. Then only you probably will get more opportunity or better opportunity. Obviously, situation will improve, but when, nobody knows. So stay wherever you are, stay safe, and save your money also. So don't spend money on random things or new things, because you never know how long this situation will continue. Okay, thank you. So some more people join. Welcome all. Uh, let's have more questions. So we were discussing about COVID-19 situation, how the job market is now. Now, if anybody else have any questions, please go ahead and feel free to ask. So Banu Kalyan, I hope I am able to answer your question. Just checking whether my streaming is going good now. Okay. So, so there are more people who are joining. If you guys able to hear my voice and my screen, my camera and speed is good, just type yes. So at least I know that there is no lag. And if you have any question, then definitely ask so that we start discussion on that. Okay, so Alok Sarkar. Hey Alok, how are you doing? Yeah, doing good. How things are moving there in Pune? So good. Thanks for asking, Alok. And situation is not very good. Total lockdown cases are increasing. Situation is not smooth. We are a red zone city. So finger cross. Finger cross. How? Okay, Srinu has question. How would be career growth How would be career growth in financials once things one thinks? So probably is asking how would be situation when things get improved. So situation would be much better because Oracle Cloud ERP market is really good. New projects will be surely will be there, and all this new investment will start soon. So this is a very uncertain situation that everybody in. Nobody anticipated this, neither clients, neither Oracle, neither your employer or yourself. So it is unexpected, but overall there is no reason to get panic. Only thing is once things get settled down, everything will be better again. Okay, so question is, yesterday I went through a news that Wipro kept some of employee on bench. Yeah, so that's true. See, large companies, whosoever is getting released from project, they are under pressure not to fire people, not to do layoff. So they increasing the bench, and probably they will do some salary cut or benefit cut. But probably at least until next 6 months, all big companies or public listed companies or international company, they will keep people on their payroll. If things goes bad within 6 months, then there are that is bad situation. But we hope situation get better by that time. Okay. Hi Sagar. Sagar's question is: do you have any institute in Pune? No. So we are not into training business. I have my own company. We are into more like a consulting business. So where we do implementation and support project on Oracle Cloud ERP, and we have around 15 people size company. So we do mostly consulting work, not full-time training or nothing. And this is not also training. This is I'm just helping you out guys with your questions and queries based on my knowledge, my experience in cloud Oracle ERP area. So I'm not into training. If you want any personal help, suggestion, or any help in your work, definitely I am very happy to help, but not as such training. What would be position in India for Oracle ERP? So this is very good question, and Sanjay, this is very good question because of the way Oracle ERP positioning itself in India market, lot of mid-sized companies are also now using. You will hear a lot of startups are using Oracle Cloud ERP, hospitals are using, small companies are using. So you will see more and more Oracle Cloud ERP projects happening in India also for domestic companies, and they were happening for last 1 year also. I personally know more than 10 companies implemented Oracle Cloud ERP, HCM in last 1 year. So this is good. Yuvraj is asking, good morning. Will Oracle Fusion will be like e-business? Fusion manufacturing supply chain is accepted by customer. So my personal view is till now Oracle has not released a full-fledged Fusion manufacturing. So if any customer is still on EBS, I don't think in next 2 years they're going to implement or moving to Fusion manufacturing. Supply chain, again, in some areas Oracle release good stable product in procurement side, but not on the fulfillment side. So still there are a lot of improvement to be done, and that probably will happen in next 2 year to 3 year. So if any customer working on e-business suite, they will continue with manufacturing model for at least 2 year, 3 year, or even more. And you know this thing that Oracle premier support for EBS is going to continue for next 2031. So it's like another 10 years. So another 10 years Oracle going to support e-business suite. So there is no panic, there is no anxiety in customer side, and Oracle continuing supporting R12 also. And every year they are releasing the new version, new development also. So let's continue in e-business suite for manufacturing side. Gaurav question is, any pointers for getting Oracle certification dump? And thanks for your reply. So Gaurav, I personally don't sell dumps, neither I collect dumps. There are a lot of people in market, random people who sell dumps in some price or sometimes they give free. I am not very fan of collecting dumps or sharing dumps. I actually recently share all my documentation for Oracle e-business suite free. Those are like more than 2 GB kind of content for training material, exam material, practice material, documentation, training material, all are free. And if you want, I think if you go to my blog, you will see the information how to access that material. But any pointers to getting? So if you search Google search, uh, if you do any Google search, you will see a lot of companies who are selling certification. I mean, $25, $50, $100. And another thing which I generally suggest to everybody, if you're working in a good size company, there are a lot of dumps would be available on your shared drive. In every company there are a lot of shared drive and portals, so you will surprised to see how much free material is there in your company itself internally, and nobody knows about it. So you just explore your internal shared drives also, you will see a lot of material. Ranjit is asking when call will start, please. I'm not getting your question. What do you mean by call will start? Call is on. Ranjit, if you're able to hear my voice and my video and my screen, then you can just type yes if you're talking about this particular call. So I hope am I audible? There are a lot of people join. So I just want to check if speed is good on your side. All the people who join new latest, just type yes if you're able to hear my voice properly. You can see my screen and able to type or share your comment. Okay, so Ranjit says when the interview call will start. See, every company would be doing some hiring in between, but you want to see very structured hiring. So I would suggest stay wherever you are. If you are in job, stay positive and continue in your current job for at least year 2020. Don't switch your job. Okay, what is the question? How would be freelance market in India? What would be the trending models in Oracle ERP? Freelance market, I am not sure whether it is a market in India. Everybody want to work on a full-time job, and that is highly acceptable. Trending models in Oracle ERP are HCM, very popular. The most popular models are HCM, then financials and procurement. So these are the three areas where 70 to 80% projects comes. Remainings are in marketing or PPM or government side. Okay, welcome Ravi. Next question is Alilu Ali, Aliullah Khan. Aliullah Khan, sorry if I pronounce your name differently. Due to ongoing COVID-19 situation, will the companies will switch from EBS to cloud? I think it will take more than a year. So right now, in May, June, July, no company is investing any new project, no capital investment, no investment in IT. So any project is supposed to start either postponed, cancel, or delayed. No decisions on new projects. So possibility is there would not be any new project starting this year. Whether it is switching from e-business to cloud, or PeopleSoft to cloud, or direct implementation of cloud, or even e-business to upgrade also. So any new investment will not be happening. So, and that is you can think from company's point of view as well as from your point of view. For individual level also, we all supposed to save money and not to invest money on luxury items, right? So save your money as much as you can, because you don't know how uncertain things can be this year. I'm not giving you panic situation, but it is a more caution and a personal advice. Okay, so more people has joined now. For all new people, if you're able to hear my voice and my screen, please type yes, so I know that my speed is good. And let me check on my mobile phone how is the speed right now and how much the lag time. Please type your question if you have any questions, so I can give my best answer. So Raja, welcome Raja. Ravi asking question. I am working in Oracle Core HRMS and GL module. I'm little confused what I need to learn next Fusion or OIC. So if you are a technical person, then straight suggestion is yes, you need to learn OIC without any excuse. Whether you learn it now or after a month or after a year, OIC will be your next career path. If you are functional, then OIC is not your career path. So very distinction. OIC is for technical people. OIC is not for not for functional people. So you can make your judgment which path you are in. Okay, Jay Bharat is asking, hey, hi Jay. I am working as a technical consultant in future, which is the best application to learn Oracle ERP, functional or future. If you're calling yourself technical person, I would suggest learn the technical tools, especially Java, OIC, Visual Builder, BI Publisher. You need to focus on technical areas. Don't switch to functional because you will find very difficult. So focus on your technical skills and make yourself better in that. Ranjit, okay. Ranjit, do you have any Oracle Fusion document like business process flow? So answer is the simple is you will find all this kind of documentation free on oraclesupport.com. Uh, if I get a time, let me show you how we can easily find. I'm sharing my screen. Let me share my screen. So I'm just trying to show how we can find a document, lot of document in oraclesupport.com which are totally free also. You see, I'm sharing a screen now, and what you see is I just put the keyword business process model or business process. That is what question was, and they were, and you will surprise that you have all this process flow. You see here, all these are here, and these are all Visio diagram, Oracle's documented latest updated diagram documents. You see, so I'm because I'm comfortable with procurement, so I know what are the values of this document. Similarly, you can search for your models also. You see HCM, manufacturing. Similarly, you will see all for other list of business process and roles in Fusion expenses. Now, if I just show you one simple example, if I click on this, you see it's a Visio diagram. That is what you're looking. It is free. That's why I keep insisting that lot of content, lot of material is available from Oracle only, and it is free. Only thing you need to know how to access it, whether it is training material or project help or white paper or any help kind of document. So I hope this quick demo would have helped you and encourage your friends and get motivated yourself also to use Oracle support as much as you can. Okay, let's take next question. Okay. Okay, so next question is, where is the next question? Okay, how is the job? Let me see because I lot of comments got scrolled. I'm doing this live first time, so please bear with me if you're finding any difficulty or if I'm not able to answer your questions. I'm just trying. All comments are gone. All comments actually scrolled up. So if you have any question which I skipped, please type your question again so I can help answering. I'm not able to scroll down on my laptop. Okay, let me take the question which I can see. Okay. So where we can see the latest issues in Fusion. Okay, so latest issues in Fusion you can see on Oracle support by searching, and Oracle keep releasing their enhancement list on customer community also. So customer community is another tool. If I give demo, it probably will take some more time. Next time maybe I can plan a separate session to give the demo on Oracle Customer Connect and how you can search a lot of information in there. Okay, next question is what technical knowledge Sanjay is asking required for financial functional and fusion. What technical knowledge required in financial functional infusion? You need to know SQL, BI publisher, as far as all this reporting tool. And see, now you see Oracle Cloud ERP is for functional people, where 70% work is functional in nature. In EBS, it used to be 50% work in functional nature. Now it is fixed 60%. So you need to learn how to do data conversion, how to do reporting, how to do workflows. And all these are, if you call them a technical skill, then yes, you need to learn technical skills. Okay, we know this asking question is knowing Apex will be helpful for EBS functional and slash technical people. My answer is big yes. YES. Everybody who work in Oracle, and if they calling technical, Apex is the tool. They should be knowing it and have a good expertise in that. That will be really good skills to acquire. Okay, next question is Harshdeep is asking any reason why Oracle discarded the public sector patches from Oracle EBS in cloud. So there is no patching concept in cloud. It's a continuous upgrade, and that is where I think the patching part is gone. Next question is Ajay. Is there a certification down for Oracle Engagement Cloud Service Now and TOA? What is the market of this model? So market is, I would say, good for the Oracle Marketing Product Engagement Cloud, but it is not as big as HCM or financial or procurement. So these are very niche product used by very specific customer, not very widely used. Uh, Manu Kalyan asking again, from this panic situation, is there a chance to firing the jobs? So chances is yes, but situation is that because it's so big situation, it's impacted everybody. So no company will take a risk to get the negative publicity to firing people. So every big company, listed company or international company, they will keep employees for a certain time on bench. After that, they probably do some hiring in small batches, but nobody can do mass layoff as of now because it will have a lot of negative publicity. So just keep finger crossed, and if you're on bench, then make sure you're using your time effectively for learning yourself and get into project as soon as possible. Any certification term, Ajay? Uh, Same answer. I don't provide any certification term. There are a lot of people who are selling on internet. I'm not one of them. If you need any direct help, question answers, like I can help you as one-to-one question answer, but I don't have any dump as such. Even if I have, I generally avoid to share because or share means I don't want to sell. If anything, I can directly share with the WhatsApp group. How Oracle, Srinivas is asking how Oracle end user can start career as financial functional consultant. How is the growth? So if you're end user, you should learn super as a super user, not just user. So when you will learn as a super user, you will be expose yourself to the setup and non-user aspects also for the system, and then you will get comfortable, and then you need to switch your job also, because as a user you will never get a chance to work as an implementation consultant or as a product consultant. So first move your career from user to super user. What are the tools to learn to become a Fusion technical consultant? Number one, Java, BI Publisher, Visual Basic, Visual Builder, BPM, all these tools, SQL, PLSQL, ADF, OIC, all these tools are important if you want to be a Fusion technical consultant. Next question is Sagar is asking, I'm currently working on Oracle Apps Technical. So for growth, should I advance in EBS or should I Oracle ERP? Thanks. See, moving to Oracle ERP will be the natural progression. Anyway, you have to move. The only thing is how you can make yourself prepared for Cloud ERP. If you are learning Java, if you are learning any advanced technical tools, Apex, then you are ready. But if you still not, if you still doing SQL, PL, only, and not interesting, not putting your effort on the advanced tools, you will find very difficult to move to Fusion. Ranjit is asking, do you have any Fusion Finance interview question? So I keep publishing such interview questions or regular questions on my blog. So if you're following my blog and you subscribe, you probably will get all this type of article in your email box, and you can regularly visit on my blog also. So you will see a lot of content on interview questions, general ask questions, how to on blog. Now, if somebody wants to know what is my blog link is, where should I type? Let me try to do here. You see, the blog name is now scrolling down. Okay, so this will help. Now, next question is Harshdeep is asking, what is the current position of Oracle ERP as compared to other ERPs? Okay, guys, a lot of people have joined. I just want to see if all people are able to hear my voice, because I think my screen is freezing. So just type yes if you are able to see my screen. I have to remove screen actually because it don't make sense. Okay. Okay. So yes. So question. Uh, Maru Kalyan is asking. Currently, I am working as. Okay. I'm working as Oracle Apps Technical SCM. What would be your session for the next improvement skill set? I'm plan to learning Oracle Fusion. Is Fusion success, SCM success in the market? Yes, so Fusion SCM supply chain management is successful product in market. You should learn OIC, you should learn Apex, you should learn BI Publisher, you should learn BPM. You should be comfortable with all these tools and Java. If you're comfortable with this 4-5 tool, your career in Fusion Technical would be way better than any other skills. Okay, please type your questions if you have any questions so far. There are a lot of people who uh, okay, I'm not able to see any question. If you are guys typing, I will see. If I missed any question, just please type again, because all these comments are actually going up, so for me too difficult to see, you know. Okay, oh, we already crossed half an hour. Okay, so let's spend 5 more minutes to questions. Okay, so I subscribe Oracle Cloud Free Trial. It has only IS, does not have SaaS or OIC instance. How to get access to how much Oracle charges for it? So you need to go for a OIC instance that is also free for 1 month. You can practice on that. SaaS is license based, so I'm not sure whether you would able to get it. If you're working for MNC or public listed company, chances is you already having access. And if I give you, probably I may not able to give the demo for that, like how you can freely access SaaS environment, but sometime I will plan. I'm working As Oracle Apps functional consultant, I want to start Fusion functional consultant. Which model should I start this? Whatever the functional models you are working in EBS, you should continue learning those, and that is where the models would be for the Fusion also. Is there a material available for Blackline? So you need to search on the Blackline website only, because it's a very specific niche tool. You won't see so much material publicly available. So you have to search through Blackline portal itself. Can you share Oracle Apps technical videos, please? So recently I shared all my Oracle e-business and R12 material free to everybody. You have to go to my blog and you will see how you can access that material. It's very good material. Next is I'm learning RPA. Good, Manju. That is very good. How we can use RPA skills in Oracle ERP. I'm SCM functional. So good. Once you will be, doing more and more RPA practice, you yourself will find how you can automate a lot of processes, lot of transaction in Oracle ERP. So keep learning. I suggest everybody, if you don't know what is RPA is, go and research keyword in RPA, and if you find interesting, learn RPA. It's free also. All these tools and their courses are free. So better you utilize your time to learn another skills as RPA in your kitty. For Fusion, any practice instance available? Answer is yes. If you part of any partner companies like Gold Partner or Platinum Partner level companies, big companies in India or MNC or international companies, chances are you already having access to demo environment. So just type demo demo dot oracle.com, and it will ask for Oracle so single sign on. Just try, and there are good chances that you already have access to demo environment, which is a practice environment. Can you share Oracle EBS remote access, please? So for Oracle e-business suite, you will see InfoSemantic gives free access. There is a company called InfoSemantic, INFO. If I share my screen quickly, show you. So you see, I'm sharing my screen. You can just see the URL InfoSemantic Oracle R12 Vision instance. So if you want to learn EBS, this environment is free. You can sign up, and that is how it is. Right? So that is publicly available. I hope that will help. Now let's take the next question. What is Shdeep is you Yuvraj Fusion is Yuvraj. Yeah, so Yuvraj, probably we need to have another session because it takes around 10 minutes time to show you how you can access free instance on Oracle Cloud. So we will do definitely in coming week. Harshdeep, what is the best way to switch from Oracle ERP Fin Cloud Consultant to Technical Consultant? So let me repeat this question. What is the best way to switch from Oracle ERP Fin Cloud Consultant to Technical Consultant? So I'm assuming you talking about from functional consultant to technical consultant. Answer is, first of all, there is no need, and you won't be very successful if you're switching from functional to technical or technical to functional, because both fields are very different, very widely different, and it doesn't make sense people switch from functional to technical. You have to restart your career, and why you want to do, I'm not sure. Next is, can you share Oracle EBS remote access, please? I think I already did. I just showed. Let me share that screen again. So you can go to this infosemantics.com, and you can get the free access. Any? Yep. No, probably. Yep. So I be able to answer a lot of questions now. I think we already crossed our half an hour time. If you have any question, I will spend 5 more minutes. Quickly go through any questions if you have. And if you find this kind of live, Facebook live useful, please share your comments so that I plan for more such session. Can you please share Oracle Fusion Cloud instance and credentials? So yes, I can share instance and credential. The only problem is the password keeps changing every 3-4 days. So even if I share, it won't be useful after 3-4 days. So what I can share is the approach you can get the free environment. So maybe next time I will show you demo how you can get the free demo environment. Yeah, so next, yeah, somebody already answered that demo environment get refreshed in days. So you would not able to retain the same password again and again. So better you learn approach so that anytime you can access the free environment. Thanks Yuvraj for your feedback. Okay, so let's see all last three questions so that then we'll wind up. Is there any industry specific blog to have your industry solution on Oracle Cloud? Um, so yes, so Oracle has specific blog for utility, communication industry, hospitality, financial services, insurance. You will see on the Oracle blogs. Hey Vikas, how do you see lockdown impact on cloud? Very bad. All cloud projects are on halt. No company planning any capital investment now for this year. So severely impacted all the new projects. Will we get database access to Symantec? We have to check on that. I'm not sure because I'm not working on Oracle e-business suite for last 4-5 years, so I'm not comfortable answering that question. And I'm sharing one more thing. I have blog, sorry, I have YouTube channel where you can see all my videos. Whatever the seminars I'm giving. Obviously, this YouTube is free, so you can go through that, and I keep uploading. And recently we did this seminar called 5 ways to learn Oracle Cloud free, and that was very productive. So you, if you want, you can search my blog, no Oracle, and you probably will get that. Does anybody have, what is the question? Instances, Krishna, I couldn't get your questions completely. Manju, your question is, does any of MNC have cloud project for SCM? I'm not aware because I don't see my friends working in cloud. So SCM, supply chain management, has actually two stream or three stream. One is on the procurement side, which is fairly good. A lot of companies are working. Fulfillment side, you won't see many projects, and manufacturing side also you won't see many projects. That's why you're not seeing a lot of SCM project. Most of the projects you will see the procurement project. You are giving very good knowledge and valuable session for Oracle ERP guys. Thank you. Samba Shiva. Thank you. Vikas. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Harship. I think let's wind up. This is very useful for me to try a Facebook Live first time. So hope this was useful for everybody. And I will try do some more if you guys find this useful. So do encourage your friends to join on Facebook group, YouTube channel, or our WhatsApp groups, and then keep learning and sharing, because as a community only we can learn and we can prosper in this Oracle Cloud ERP. Last thing is, stay safe wherever you are, especially in home and in your job also. So spend as much as time on your current job so that you can keep your customer happy, your employer happy. Focus on your job and get better in your job on day-to-day basis. Okay, thanks. So stay blessed, stay safe, stay home, take care. Good Sunday.